side now, pumping, so my fluid can get pushed into the lines. I'm gonna see what's gonna happen here. I'm not ready to turn it on yet. Let's see. Check it out. Okay, we're under the vehicle here, and there's a lot of dampness going on under here. And look at this here. Now my power steering is leaking somewhere, but I don't know where yet. I'm seeing residue on lines that has nothing to do with power steering. And I noticed that my reservoir is getting low. And this is because the wind is blowing as I'm driving. I know it's blowing it back. I know it's blowing it back this way. So wherever it's coming from, it's getting blown by the air. So it's confusing me of where the leak is coming from. Okay. Pop the hood. Diversity 2. Doing a workout. Stand by. Let's do it. So I just filled this up yesterday. And this power steering fluid is not cheap. Not these days. Over 10 bucks for a small bottle. And I had this filled up, and as you can see, it's gone down. So I'm wondering if it's coming out of here, because I had all of this wiped off yesterday. And it's either coming out of here because of a bad or worn seal, perhaps, or this line coming out here is not tight, or just dried out and it's not sealing good. So we're gonna try those two first and see what happens. If it's still leaking, I'm gonna go to another phase. But I dried all of this off yesterday, and it seems to be wet up in here. So I'm assuming it's not sealing good. So the search goes on. The wind, when I'm driving on the highway, like it's getting wet back toward the firewall. So wherever it's leaking, it's blowing back toward the firewall. That's going to explain why it's wet up in here. This area here, right under the brake master cylinder, it's wet. I wiped it all off. So I'm going to make I'm going to take an inner tube and hack this so to seal good. And I'm going to take this one off and bring it, I'm going to cut it and bring it forward and see if that's going to seal better. I'm going to take this clamp off and put the original clamp back on there. Maybe it'll tighten better. This is the original clamp here. So that's going to be my first phase to see if that's going to stop the leak. And we'll take it from there. And if something's going on with the pump, I have a brand new pump that I already have. So let's see what happens. And why would fluid be way up here if this is not leaking here? I'm doing an investigation. Diversity 2, trying to find out why. Trying to find out why I have a power steering leak and my power steering fluid is disappearing. The search goes on. I tightened up this hose yesterday down here. It's pretty tight.
Get up, Betty!
Hey!
I just seen. Wave that. Okay, when we go, sir.
Watch out, turn.
Ma'am.
Watch out.
Think about that, ma'am.
But sometimes, you know, I think I'm gonna cut this one too, just to make sure it's not that one also. So you're gonna cut this hole, push it forward. You're gonna cut this hole, push it forward, and take and make a better seal on the cap and see what happens. Stand by.